everyone, I'm Jessie. Welcome back to Hoston. When a CNC Metal Spinning Machine needs to be shut down for some reason during the processing or in case of an emergency, the most suitable switch can be selected from the following. First, emergency stop switch. This switch is effective regardless of the mode. Pressing this switch immediately causes the NC unit to enter a stop state, and all functions are cut off. However, it should be noted that after restoring the emergency stop switch, the operation of returning each axis to the reference point should be performed again. Second, feed holder switch. This switch is effective when the machine tool is running automatically. Pressing this switch immediately stops the feed motion of each axis of the machine tool, but the execution of the spindle and M function is not affected. Third, reset key. Regardless of the method, using this key to stop the machine's operation is effective. Pressing this key will cause the spindle function M to stop. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.